Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by hringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for IFB Industries stock. What you are seeing right now is the monthly chart of monthly technical chart of IFB Industries, along with a few technical indicators and trend line chart. I'm using here Super Trend, Darvas, MACD, Momentum, RSI, moving average, etc. indicators to do the technical analysis for IFB Industries. Okay. Now, if you look at the price history of the IFB Industries, you see here I have data from since 2014 to 2017 October. Okay, that's a this data is enough for us to do the analysis. Actually, if you see up to 2014 Jan, this it is not making it's not moving much in either direction. Actually, it is just sleeping on the baseline. And after that, the stock started moving up. After 2014 January, the stock started moving up, reached its peak at that time in April 2015, and after that, it started moving in sideways. See how many years? How many years? Literally this sideway movement came to an end okay only in April 2017. See 2000 April 2015 it started, and it came to an end in April 2017. 2 years consistently sideway movement. Okay, and nothing happened actually. Neither the stock went up nor down. Okay, it's like it's like playing in a range bound scenario. Only after April 2017, actually I cannot say April 2017. It is even later. June 2017, until June 2017 it has been moving sideways. Okay, only after that it went little bit up. Actually it broke. It's a range bound, the peak price, previous peak price, and it went up, and it reached its peak. What is the peak price then? It was 791. Okay, 791, and this it has achieved in July 2017, and after that again it went down. It's like a consolidation phase. That's what we need to think. And today, this month in October, it crossed its previous peak and went up to 890. So that means what you can see here is a pattern here. A pattern. It's like it is making new highs. See this high and the next high and the next high. See, whenever you see this kind of pattern, blindly invest in that particular stock, because if this pattern continues, if this pattern extends, then by the time this particular stock reaches its next peak, definitely you might have made a lot of money. Okay, now before you invest in this kind of stock, actually whenever you see this kind of pattern, you have to look at other technical indicators also. What the other indicators are telling you, what guiding points they are giving you. If all the guiding points of all the technical indicators are in sync with the price rise here, then it is the time to invest in particular stock. If not, if the guiding points are like mixed signals, then then we need to do the analysis, and there only the experience of the investor comes in. Until then, if everything is right, if everything is in green, then there is no need for the experience. It is blindly telling you that the stock itself is telling you that okay, invest in me and I will give you a bounty. Okay, but if there are mixed signals from different stock technical indicators, then only the experience comes into play, and only the experienced investor can make a right decision and tell you the right path to follow at that moment of time. Okay, now if you see, we will check whether this particular price is consistent, and this particular stock is going to make a new high in the next few months or not. Okay, now look at the super trend here. It has already formed. Very good. 20-day moving average stock has crossed, which is very good. So both are in sync with the price rise here. Very good. And look at the RSI here, already making the slope and crossed the 80 line, and already making slope on top of the 80 line, which is again in sync with the price rise here. And look at the MACD. MACD is in a good shape. The signal line is on top of the red line, and you see the gap here, and both are diverging here, and both lines are diverging. So that means the gap is increasing. The gap indicates is directly proportional to the strength of the price momentum, as I've been explaining in my previous videos. See, always look for the gaps here. Gap in the MACD lines. Okay, between the two lines there should be a gap, huge gap. So that's the thing, and both are diverging. Lines are diverging here, which is a very good sign. And look at the histogram bar, green color bars. So I mean, only one bar has populated here, but you can see the trend. All the bars are on forming on top of the baseline here, which is again a good sign. Okay, again in sync with the price rise. And look at the momentum graph is on top of the baseline, and momentum tip, the graph tip is looking in the upward direction, which again is in sync with the price rise here. Okay, so all these indicators, including moving average, everything is telling that are giving only one signal: buy the stock. That's it. There is no questions asked. Okay, what I'm thinking, I mean, based on the guiding points given by these indicators, what I am deciding right now, or I am recommending right now, is like, this particular stock is going to increase its price. I mean, the price rise is going to happen. I mean, price rise is going to increase further. So IFB Industries is a right find. I think if you had not invested, I think this is the right time for you to invest. And no, definitely you will make money in this particular stock in the near future if you invest right now. Okay, so that is the analysis for the stock, guys. If you like this video, please if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.